You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these words, as well as how to say more confusing vocabulary that too many mispronounce and get confused by in English. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel. How do you say it in British English? It is normally pronounced as claws. Claws. In American English, it is said as claws, claws, or claws. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful, like it at least, it helps me immensely. Thanks for your support, and more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations for free. Thanks for your support again, and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.